Hi, today's lecture is going to cover service providers. Basically, these are people that provide internet connectivity to your organization, and they are the people that allow you to connect to the internet. So let's go ahead and look at the desktop. Okay, so we need to define our terms here. Service provider is a vendor who provides telecommunication services, telephony, or internet services. Usually if it's telephony, it's going to be voice over IP, as opposed to standard plain old telephone lines. A service-related point is a service provider's medium. That's where it enters a customer's premises. So the box on the side of your house where your internet provider, where the fiber line comes in or the cable modem comes in, that is the service-related point. Demarcation zone, that is where your equipment, your router connects to their equipment, their modem. So wherever that is at, that is the line of demarcation that says this is our side and that's your side, and you're financially responsible for your side and we're financially responsible for our side. Smart Jack is a network interface placed at a demarcation point to provide remote monitoring, and that allows them to keep an eye on their services, make sure that everything's up and running like it's supposed to be. Copper, it's a metal, it's bounded media. Basically, this is copper wire. It carries electrical impulses. Fiber, on the other hand, is glass or plastic, and it carries light impulses. Don't forget to complete these assignments. Make sure you have little check marks here before you move on to the next one. Digital subscriber line, nobody uses it anymore. It's obsolete, but it was once upon a time a fast internet connection. And when I say fast, that's a relative term, but very few people use DSL anymore. Most people are either cable or fiber, and cable is quickly going the way of the 8-track tape. It won't be around much longer. But basically, cable is telecommunication service for what used to be exclusively television cable, but now is becoming almost exclusively internet service. Satellite is a telecommunications provider, uses a direct satellite uplink to a satellite in low Earth orbit. Basically, think HughesNet or Dish Network. A leased line is a telecommunication service providing high-speed designated access, customer-specific location. Basically, you're the only one on that line. You're the one that pays for it. It's usually very expensive. Back in the day, they provided T1 lines. And if you were an internet service provider, you could get a T1 line. If you were really rich, you could get a T1 line connected to your house. But you don't have to share bandwidth with anybody. That's the main advantage. Metro Optical is a service delivering high-speed internet using fiber optics. Once again, don't forget to complete this. And then at that point, then we're going to start on the labs. So that'll be the next thing we look at in this section. Okay, so that is internet service providers. You need to know the difference between fiber. You need to know the difference between fiber and copper. You need to know about demarcation lines. You need to know what equipment belongs to them and what equipment belongs to you. And basically, if you have any questions, contact me through the Canvas inbox. That's actually the best way to do it. Or ask me in class, and I will do my best to answer any questions that you may have. Have a good day.